Bullish stepn, GMT, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.692959 and $1.31 by 2030. Market investigators accept GMT could reach $0.538968 by 2025. Bearish stepn market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.123193. stepn, GMT, presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about stepn cost forecast. On the whole, we should examine the essential presentation of this cash in the event that you need a decent profit from your beneficial venture from it. stepn, the main NFT drive in view of the transition to Procure Idea, is a sound way of life application with social money, social, and play to procure, games, perspectives. Jerry Huang and Yon Rong, two Australian programming designers, helped to establish stepn in August 2021. stepn won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking Rivalry prior to getting a $5 million financing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse Token, GMT, the stepn's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can recommend and settle on project progressions and depository appropriation. Prior to making a stepn cost, we look at what is GMT, stepn. Also, GMT, stepn specialized and basic examination? We should check it out. What is stepn, GMT? stepn is a Web3 move to procure portable application with parts for social and gaming finance, Gamefi and Socialfi. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind stepn. The task chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is the vast majority's ordinary movement. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, stepn wrapped the second place and was the main undertaking to coordinate the move to Procure Idea practically. The objective of the game part of stepn is to urge a large number of clients to embrace a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high outflow cars. Then again, the social money part of stepn intends to foster a stage that advances client-produced Web3 content. stepn, GMT, specialized investigation. The stepn token's value forecast is verifiably in view of an itemized assessment of its value outline and specialized examination, taking into account both the ongoing cost and authentic patterns of the digital currency. While inspecting the pattern lines, the costs have transcended the 200 MAMA, moving normal, line. The vertical gauge pattern line in the specialized examination is the most probable pattern after such a breakout, with the GMT value starting and market cap to challenge its new obstruction levels. These examinations are energetic regardless of whether there is an overarching feeling of a bear market that could saturate the crypto business. The stepn cash and the typical cost are supposed to recuperate considerably more quickly than the generally crypto market cap, giving financial backers tremendous increases on both short and long-haul property. Besides, you should decide the sort of help and opposition levels that stepn cost conjecture experiences to anticipate its future. The even obstruction can be recognized by how frequently the GMT esteem rises and falls during a vertical push. You can acquire flat endorsement evaluations by monitoring how frequent there is no hurry to get to an asserted hard cap at the present time. Possibilities for the web are balanced out subsequently. Along these lines, the worth of stepn can increment, further guaranteeing biological system development. More stepn can be acquired to keep the environment working accurately. stepn utilization is supposed to develop yearly, raising the money's worth. stepn is right now worth $0.153991 United States dollars. GMT has moved 2.48% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $20,482,716. stepn is as of now positioned 130 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $197,910,815 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for stepn, GMT, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant stepn, GMT, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. STEPN, GMT, Value Forecast 2023. STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year, GMT. The GMT cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.230986. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.215587 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of $0.184789. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, STEPN GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform $0.384977. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the GMT's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GMT will exchange STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.538968 and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.492771 and a low of $0.461973 in 2025. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that STEPN effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.692959, with a base cost of $0.615964 and a typical cost of $0.646762. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.800753 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.769955 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, GMT has a most extreme value worth of $0.84695. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 0.